How to add Q&A on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon. Then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on Creator Tools. From the General section, you want to click on Q&A. And here you want to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. And as you can see from the Q&A page, you want to turn the Show on Profile toggle on. As you can see, it tells you that this will allow others to see your questions and answers by tapping on Q&A on your profile. You can see where it will be appearing. If you turn it on and off, it will be appearing on your profile. And you can also select who can invite you to answer a question, from everyone to following to no one, to followers that you follow back. So choose whatever option suits you the best. And then once you go back to your profile page, you will see let me refresh this. Okay, you will see that the Q&A section has just appeared. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add the Q&A section on your TikTok profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.